Hi, today we're going to be looking at some Gtechniq Bike Ceramic. This is a kit that will offer extreme dirt repellency and durable protection to your bike. Kit comes with a bottle of the actual bike ceramic. I don't know if you can read that there. Another bottle of frame prep, a soft pad to apply it with, microfiber buff cloth, and a pair of powder-free gloves. That's nice. Looks pretty simple. You shake the bottle of the prep, clean all the surfaces down, and then spray on and apply your ceramic spray and leave it for 24 hours to cure. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's see if we can get that under there. And there's another one here. Let's see if we can open her up. Okay. Is it obvious which way it opens? This is obviously the first test. Can you get the box open? Okay. Let's have a look in here then. No, she's still not wanting to come out. It's secured somewhere else. Where is it? That way. There we go. Sorry about that. Right. Here we've got the actual bike ceramic itself. Small bottle of, so you obviously only need a few squirts of that. Let's have a look. I think, yeah, you just a few drops of that apparently. Keep that well sealed. It basically puts a layer onto your bike to protect it. There you go. So inside there you have the bike ceramic itself, frame prep, a buff cloth, basically that's to apply the frame prep with first. It's a microfiber cloth, and this is okay, so you have two of the MF1s to apply. This is the pad, like a little finger, and there's some gloves in there. So I'll be applying this to a couple of my bikes, or at least one anyway, to see how it works. And this little bottle should apparently, one application should give you about 12 months of protection, which would be quite interesting to see. Okay guys, thanks for looking. Bye.